Data is defined as the data resources that business gather, analyze, and keep as part of their normal business operation and protocol, but do not use for other functions. For instance, data analysis, business development, and direct monetizing. Dark data frequently makes up the majority of a company's data resources and is often stored for regulatory reasons only. Dark data can be classified into three main types. First, untapped internet data can refer to data surrounding daily operation, log, transaction, employee performance, and more. This type of dark data is usually obtained during normal business activities and is saved in a dark data lake without being fully utilized due to its low value. Second is about non-traditional unstructured data. This data is associated with audio, video, image file, and social networking account and is usually referred to as media data. Non-traditional data is typically considered dark data as it tricky to organize, format, and structure. It requires conversion, quantification, tiering, and structuring before it can even be cleaned for analysis, which a lot of data analytic tools are unable to execute. Next, deep web data contains email correspondence, electronic bank statement, and more. These datasets are generally classified and protected by firewall, rendering them difficult to access. So, here are some of the key advantages of dark data. First, discover insight from hidden data. For better group, companies can utilize dark data to identify crucial insights that would have otherwise remained hidden. For example, analyzing untapped internet data alone can considerably improve and streamline operational processes such as machine operating capacities. Second, diversity your data analytic. Insights tend to be more relevant, accurate, and precise when their origin data sources are more diverse and complex. If companies want more comprehensive and quality results, they need to expand their boundaries and begin investing in their dark data. And the third is gain a huge advantage over your competitors. Today, companies that are utilizing all of their data are already ahead of the curve. According to Forbes, International Data Corporation predict that by 2020, these companies will have achieved an extra 430 billion in productivity benefit over their less analytically oriented peers across the world. Last but not least is about disadvantages of dark data. First, unspecified source and authenticity of the data. Because dark data is left unorganized, it is more susceptible to data contamination such as alteration, deletion, and corruption. This renders it difficult to evaluate the validity, authenticity, and source of dark data, which can cause monetary as well as compliance concerns. Next, high storage costs. If companies are not actively manage their dark data, it simply becomes clutter that takes up valuable space. Whether it slows down your server as the amount of dark data grows, your storage and maintenance costs will grow as well. And the lastly is about susceptible to security breach and hack. Dark data is often neglected in unprotected location, database, and systems. Active data that is regularly used usually takes priority in terms of security, thereby subjecting dark data to breach by malwares, viruses, and hackers. So, to identify whether your dark data warehouses contain any business-critical, personal, or sensitive data, and if so, to transfer them elsewhere to be used.